What's up, guys? Today we're back working on the Corvette, and we're going to be installing this center console repair kit because, as you can see, I'm missing a screw here, and this screw has nothing to screw into. We've got these two pieces removed from the car, and we shouldn't need to add brackets on the front too, because inside here we have already got two screw holes set for us, but in the back we're going to need to add the brackets. And in the directions it says to glue these. I'm not sure how well that's going to work, but we're going to give it a go and see what we can do. We've got